These Hasselback jacket potatoes are so fun, make a great side for almost any meal, and you don't even have to turn the oven on to cook them. You can cook these in the slow cooker if you're out all day, or just pop them into the microwave when you get back in the evening. I know I've said it before, but I think if you can cook them in a slow cooker, you get a more smoky flavour to them than when you put them in the microwave. Then slice up the potatoes, sprinkle with some extra salt and into the air fryer to crisp these up. Add a little bit of cheese before back into the air fryer just for a couple more minutes. These are such a fun alternative to jacket potatoes and will be perfect for bonfire night. Enjoy!